this part, when it goes back in, make sure you only put the 2 screws in at the very bottom. If you do what I did and you lock down the lid and all that, you'll find out the hard way that you got to go back in and take it all apart. Then you drop a screw down inside the heating element, which requires you to take this all apart again and to find that screw, because that's an example of Murphy's Law. And no, I did not videotape it. Note to myself and everyone else: opposite corners. And now we're going to try this again. This. These go in here. Now, when putting these in the right way, the hook faces to the left, and there's actually a guide pin that this sits on, so you really can't mess it up too bad. Yellows, I know, go into the motor and push to start. This one here, marked common, is where your neutral goes after you plug this into the machine. Let track. And then this just goes into the 2 edges at the bottom and snaps in. Like so. And these doors pull back this way, and you'll see the slots for these hinges. See, that should just go right in there. Pull down, and from there all you need are 2 Phillips head screws. So these hinges can go on can be flipped on either side through the door for left-handed or right-handed operation. Well, YouTubers, I apologize. I skipped on quite a few parts. I basically just wanted to get it done and in service. The dryer duct has been completely disassembled and cleaned. It is now hooked up. We're going to find out here if things work. Might as well. Run it. Thanks for watching, everybody.